Salam, I'm Saida from thefarsipod.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you some common Iranian ways of addressing people you know and you don't know. Formality is expressed differently in different languages. So today I'm going to talk about what's considered appropriate in Iran and how you should address people in Farsi. So I'm going to start off by talking about these two common words, khānom and āghā. Khānom is used for women and āghā is used for men. These two words are common ways of addressing people in Farsi. So, for example, you want to get someone's attention in public places and you want to say, "Excuse me, sir," "Excuse me, ma'am," you would say, "ببخشید خانم," "ببخشید آقا," "ببخشید خانم," "ببخشید آقا." The words khānom and āghā are not only used when you don't know someone's name, they are also used to address someone who is older than you, to address someone who is not close to you, for example, your boss, your colleagues, or a stranger, and they are also used to show respect. So they are not necessarily considered too formal. For these cases, we would use khānom and āghā and someone's first or last name. I should also mention that to call someone by their first name is more of a personal preference. So, for example, if you're friends with your colleague, you can call them only by their first name. Now let's see how we should use these words as titles when you want to use them with someone's first or last name. When you're going to address people, a man or a woman, by their full or last name, put khānom and āghā in front of their names. For example, خانم احمدی. Ahmadi is a last name. خانم سارا احمدی. آقای احمدی. آقای علی Ahmadi. As you can see, you should use the connector or اضافه right after the words khānom and āghā. Since the word āghā ends in a vowel, the connector is always ye, so we would put this linking sound ye after the word āghā. But when it comes to people's first name, things are a little bit different. For example, we put the word khānom after their names, for example, Sara Khanum. And for men, the word āghā is normally put before their name, Āghā Ali. But in the case of some names like Ali, some people prefer to put it after the name, as in Ali Āghā. But it's more common to put it before the name. Now we want to see how to address a group of people, ladies and gentlemen, خانم‌ها و آقایان. This is quite formal and you would hear it only at formal events. In less formal situations, for example, when you're with your friends, you can just address them by saying بچه‌ها, بچه‌ها. بچه‌ها گوش کنید. Hey guys, listen up. سلام بچه‌ها. Hi guys. Okay, that's it for today. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel and visit our website, thefarsipod.com, to get short podcasts in colloquial Farsi and register to our one-on-one online lessons. Thank you for joining me today. If you have different opinions about addressing people, I welcome your comments down below. I will see you back here for a new lesson. Khodafez.